Hey, are you tired of detailed flower tutorials that feel impossible to follow? Do you want to draw a sunflower that feels like sunshine without the fuss? All you need to do is grab your pencils and I'll show you how to draw one in just 6 easy steps. And trust me, it's beginner friendly. No hassle, no stress. Step 1. Draw 2 light circles, one smaller and one larger. The inner circle is your sunflower's center. The outer one holds all the petals. Step 2. These sketch lines are going to help with your petal and stem placement. This step is if you would like to create your sunflower from a different perspective. So instead of circles, we're creating ovals. I'll make sure that I zoom in so you can see all of the details. Step 3. Here's where you'll add leaves along the stem. Curved lines on each side give your sunflower character and it really starts to come to life. Step 4. Are you ready for a tongue twister? Use C-shaped strokes for your petals. Follow your guidelines, but let each petal be random. That way, your sunflower will look natural. Step 5. Now for the fun part, time to fill things in. Here's where you can fill in the center for the seeds. You can emphasize the petals, the stem, and the leaves. But don't stress about symmetry. Some flowers are wonderfully imperfect. Step 6. So here you are at your final step. You can use a putty eraser or a simple eraser at the end of a pencil. Erase your guides and clean any stray marks. Now your sunflower's in bloom. Now look at you, you did it! A simple sunflower drawing in only 6 steps. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe because more floral tutorials are on the way. Alright, that's enough for now. I'm gonna go and get back to the drawing board.